What's going on, guys? So I am back. I am back. Wow, look at that. So much time has gone by. We're coming up to the last 2 minutes of the 4 hour trade. As you guys can see, look, I still have everything up from last video, guys. We still have the same entry, the 553. Here's our time frame. We're down to the last 2 minutes, guys. And while we're here, I just want to take time to explain again my method on trading, why I like to take longer time frames, what's a few indicators that I use to help me confirm the trades that I am going to take. So first things first, what I like to do, as you can see here, this green line, I marked that as my entry that I took 4 hours ago. So that is my entry. So if I come back to GJ, if I go trade this again later through the week, today's only Monday. If I trade this throughout the week, I know previous points. I can chart it up. I have it right here on TradingView. So that's the first thing, guys. Remember the second thing too, what you're going to want to do is go here on TradingView, and here I have the weekend indicator set up, and then what happened was when I took this trade, this was that 4 hour candle. So when I took the trade, and when I realized, okay, cool, this is Monday night, this is the high for the week that it created thus far, it retested this area. I knew this confirmation candle that sellers are in control. And one last thing, again referencing the currency strength meter, as you guys can see in the previous video, the strength of the currencies change, but JPY, the yen, still remains strong, guys. So that definitely helped out to this trade. So again, we got 10 seconds left on the trade. Let's count down 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And it's really that easy, guys. Like, again, the reason why I like the 4 hour trade is so I can look for a specific direction in the market, utilize my other confirmations to help me confirm my trade. And I rather take the long trade. I rather be right than guess different areas. And again, it's not guessing. Other people have different methods on trading, but what works for me, I would rather take this whole entire move, because again, I only got to be right by 1 point. I'd rather catch this whole entire move than to try to figure out where am I going to find an entry. And again, when I do trade, guys, just I was showing you guys a smaller risk trade for $5. Normally I'd press it a little bit more, but again, $5 and 4 hours. Trust me, I was not even staring at the charts for a complete 4 hours. I checked it every hour since my entry. I was in the green the whole entire time, so I didn't really even need to stress out that much. So that's another psychological thing on why I like to take longer trades, because I don't, once I put that trade in, I have to wait. So why stress myself every single minute of that trade when I could just come back to the trade when it's time to expire? So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. There's more videos to come. If you guys want to practice the demo account will be in the description below, the bio below. Also, guys, I will be having TradingView, also a link in the bio, and I'll also have the link for currency strength meter. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, guys. I'll also leave all my contact and social media down in the description below. Thank you guys so much, and talk to you guys soon.